Hi bunny friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to do some of my favorite stitches that I use all the time. So first off, I'm going to show you how to do this stitch right here, which is called a stem stitch. That's what I did all the way around here on this straight line. So come on over here to my hoop. I am using one strand of size 12 pearl cotton and a size 7 embroidery needle. You're going to come up from the back. And it's so easy. All you're doing is stitching on the line. So we're going to come up and then we're going to go into the fabric right there on the line. And again, this is a stem stitch. And then you're going to come up right next to it, right there. See that? You're almost at the end, but you're next to it right there. And then you're going to go back down into the fabric there, like that. All right, so again, we're going to come up and we're just stitching on the line, so we're not in the hole at the end, we are next to it. And then again, stitch right on the line. Okay, let me do a couple more for you. Okay, here we go again. Coming up beside it. And then going right there. So it's kind of like you're going on either side of that line as you go along, if you can see up close there. I'm not directly on the line, I'm just to the right of that line, just a little bit. And then this stitch is going to come up right here. See right there? Okay. And then you're coming up just to the right of that line, just a little bit. Now I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, it'll be the opposite direction. And again, coming up right here, you can hear my little cat in the background being a crazy boy, little Mikey. Okay, so there you go. That's how you do a stem stitch.